Jeep tip of the day, number 12, check strap stuck in the door. Guys, if you've had your doors off recently and the actual check strap, and what I mean by check strap is this thing right here. If this thing is stuck inside the door, you can see this is supposed to go right there. And what's happened is you've actually closed the door without this bolt in there. That's what's happened. This is going back inside. So you've got to get this now out into there. I got a trick and I want to show you how to do it the easy way. Check this out. All right, guys, so our problem is this bolt has to go through this hole and in here, and you can't do that when the check strap is stuck inside the door. Check this out. I've got a really cool tip. Now, the Jeep kit that came with the Jeep that you used to actually take off the doors is what we're going to use to fix this problem. So you want to take this out here. You're going to take the T40 out, all right? You're going to stick the T40 in this, all right? You're going to stick this T40 through that hole right there, all right? And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of shut the door and you're going to stick the T40 in that hole, okay? Now, at this point, you're going to use leverage. You're going to use the palm of your hand on this handle and you're going to pull that Jeep. It's tight, okay? Real tight. Bam. All right, so now you got that out. So you got it out one notch. There's another notch, okay? But once you got it out one notch, you can actually get the bolt in. Once you get the bolt in, adjust this right here. Once you get the bolt in there, go ahead and get this started. Go ahead and get that started with that. Go ahead and start it by hand. Now you can go ahead and tighten this up. Now if you pull this, there's that other check strap. Now you can go ahead and tighten it up the rest of the way. Check that out. That's how you do it. All right, guys, let me know what you think down in the comment area below. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to share with all your friends. If you want to see more great Jeep information, make sure you subscribe.